3 vital steps, the right way to set up your business credit profile for ultimate results. Business credit is credit linked to your EIN, not your social security number. You can build a credit profile for a business completely separate from the business owner's personal credit profile, doubling borrowing ability. Credit limits and capacity on these accounts are much higher than with consumer credit. Plus, you can build business credit very fast. An initial profile only takes 30 to 90 days to get started. What are some business credit benefits? When done right, you build business credit with no personal credit check. Get business credit fast, regardless of personal credit quality. Business accounts don't report on personal credit accounts. A business can get most business credit without the owner taking on personal liability or a personal guarantee. Hence, in case of default, the business owner's personal assets can't be pursued. Anyone can see your business credit reports, so having business credit makes you more fundable for prospects, clients, competitors, lenders, credit issuers, and anyone who wants to buy your company. Almost any business can get business credit if it has an EIN and an entity set up. You don't need collateral or financials. This works for startups. You just need to know the proper building steps. Step 1. Build for fundability. A business starts with no credit profile. Personal credit isn't being used for approval. You have no business credit yet established. Therefore, what's on your application is all that's reviewed for approval. So your application must be very strong. What about corporate entities? To truly separate business credit from personal credit, your business must be a separate legal entity, not a sole proprietor or partnership. This means incorporating. Without a separate business entity, corporation or LLC, you might be doing business, but you are truly not a business. These entities, by default, eliminate your personal liability. Other entities don't. One of the biggest reasons for denial is an application not having the same legal name as what's filed in state records. How important is the business name? It is very important that you use your exact business legal name. Your full business name should include any recorded DBA filings you will be using. Make sure your business name is exactly the same on corporation papers, licenses, bank statements, and anywhere else you need to put it. Even if you have no employees, your business entity must have an EIN. Like a social security number, your business has an EIN. This is one of 2 absolute essential items initial vendors look at for approval. Take the time to verify that all agencies, banks, and trade credit vendors have your business listed with the same tax ID number. Your business address must be a real brick-and-mortar building with a deliverable physical address. It cannot be a home address, P.O. Box, or UPS address. Some lenders will not approve and fund unless this criterion is met. What about your phone numbers? You must have a dedicated business phone number listed with 411 directory assistance under the business name. Lenders, vendors, creditors, and even insurance providers will verify that your business is listed with 411. Use listyourself.net. This is the second essential item initial credit vendors look at for approval. You must use a business phone number, not a home or cell phone. VoIP is okay. Get an 800 number and a fax number. How do your website and email make a difference? Credit providers will research your company online. It's best if they learn everything straight from your company website. Use a professional email address such as yourname@yourcompany.com. Not having either will undercut your business's fundability. What about licensing and business listings? Contact the state, county, and city government offices to see if there are any required licenses and permits to operate your type of business. Do not apply if you are unlicensed. Take the time to verify that main agencies, such as the state, the IRS, your bank, and the 411 National Directory, have your business listed the same way and with the exact legal name. Also, take the time to make sure every bill you get, such as the power bill, phone bill, landlord, etc., has the business name listed right and comes to the business address. Let's recap. Set up your business properly for Fundability. This includes licenses, phone numbers, and more. Get your reports and dig into them. Dispute any errors. Get started with vendor credit. Monitor your business credit. We help you monitor for less. Contact us today to learn more about 3 vital steps, the right way to set up your business credit profile for ultimate results.